Hello guys, in the previous video we was learn how to validate a contact form using JavaScript. Today we will learn how to send email using simple PHP function with the same form. For this we take a PHP file named formSubmit.php and that will be assigned to the form in the action section. Now create a blank file and save the file to the same folder using the name from save.php. Sorry, from the name. The name should be from save.php or whatever you want. There is no fixed name. Now we have to remove the form validate function and use return to. Otherwise, form will be not submitted to the form save.php if we remain the return false. Now take a look if it is working. We take the message from the lorem ipsum. Now we echo to check if the form is working. Save the file and run the form. Yes, it is working now. Submit is displayed. Now it is time to get the variable from the form. For this we take the name field to the variable name. We have used stream here to remove the extra spaces if somehow a user inputted extra spaces on the field, that will be removed using trim function. Same for the other fields. We have used here true variable, and here you can put the email address where you want to send the email. It is the receiver address. The form subject will be contact us because it is a contact us form. Subject. Now some header function will be there to send email. This header function is required for send HTML template by the email. This is the message field which will be sent from the form, and all the total message variable section will be sent by email. Using the mail PHP function, we can send email from server. So first variable will be to where you can send email. Second is form From should be the email address from the which is get from the email field of the form. If the email sent, then email send message will shown. If not, then email will not be sent message will shown. Sorry, form there is no form variable. The form variable should be email. As I am tested it in my local server, that's why the mail function will not working. When you upload this file to the server, the email function will be working. Thank you for watching guys. If any query you have, then please comment in the comment section below. Thank you.